Hello everyone, Coco is coming. Today I will show you a motorcycle torque wrench. Plastic box packaging can better protect the product. And we also come with instructions and certificates. Remember, contact with us by mail, info@altertool.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hello my friends, Coco is coming. Two-way ratchet head, switch left and right, quick release button, easy to change sets. Laser scale, process and clear. Humanized hot stamping design, not easy to slip, comfortable to hold. Upper numerical value plus next numerical value equals current preset value. Put down on the locking ring and turn the handle adjustment knob to the right. Stop and release the locking ring until the designed tick mark is aligned with the central axis. Chrome vanadium steel material, durable and strong. Laser scale, process and clear. Put down on the locking ring and turn the handle adjustment knob to the right. Stop and release the locking ring until the designed tick mark is aligned with the central axis. Quick installation, 1 key to 4 off. Positive and negative switch to the pedal. Can be tightened, can be loosened.